There are two different paths that you could take. First is if it's a car accident, there are different things you would do versus if it's a commercial like slip and fall. So starting with a car accident, if you get into a car accident, the first thing to do is to call the police. Call the police, have a report made so that what happened in the accident is very clear from the start. Once you do that, you talk to the police officer, maybe an ambulance has come. If you're hurt, go to the hospital. Sometimes people will say, well, I don't feel I'm badly enough hurt to go to the hospital. I want to go home and then go to an urgent care. That's also good. But my recommendation would be to make sure that you get the medical care that you need because it's going to be covered under your no-fault insurance, under your own car insurance. Once you've gotten the medical treatment that you need to make sure that, hey, there's no emergency problem right now that needs to be addressed, or if there is an emergency problem, making sure that you get in to see a doctor is so important. After that point, honestly, my recommendation would be to talk to a lawyer. If you get a lawyer on board early, they can help you through the no-fault process. They can help you with the property damage portion. They can help you with any hiccup that you might have in your healing process. They can also help you with getting a disability note from work and getting your lost wages reimbursed if you can't work because of this accident. So with a car accident, those are the first few steps. Call the police, get medical treatment, talk to a lawyer. When it comes to a slip and fall, there are a few different steps. So the first thing in a commercial slip and fall, or if you trip and fall at someone's home, first thing to do, look down and see what caused you to fall. If you are able to see some liquid on the ground, or if the sidewalk of a homeowner's property isn't level and your foot catches and that causes you to fall, it's really vital. You cannot prove a trip and fall or slip and fall case without knowing exactly what caused your fall.